Hey, did you know that ChatGPT can help you get answers, find inspiration, and be more productive? It's also free to use and easy to try. In this video, we're going to explore how to get started with ChatGPT and make the most out of this powerful AI tool. So let's get started. So if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's an artificial intelligence chatbot that uses natural language to create a human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. So if you're just getting started, I recommend using ChatGPT 3.5. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. So in your browser, you can go to chat.openai.com and either log in or create a new user account. With the free version of ChatGPT, you have access to 3.5, and for $20 a month, you have access to ChatGPT 4.0. But for now, if you're just starting out, ChatGPT 3.5 is plenty powerful enough. So after signing in, you can begin by typing some simple prompts. Remember that the key to getting useful responses is clarity. Start with a straightforward question or tasks, and as you get comfortable, you can move on to more complex prompts. Prompting, by the way, is whenever you ask the AI to perform a task. So we can start by just asking, what tasks are you most helpful with? So I'm going to come down here to my chat message bar. What tasks are you most helpful with? Hit the go button. And before you know it, I'm going to have a pretty exhaustive list of ideas and tasks that ChatGPT is going to be able to help me with right out of the gate. No purchase necessary. Now, if there's something different you'd like it to look at, you can reiterate down here by either giving it a thumbs up, thumbs down, or let's tell it something different. Let's ask it, what creative tasks are you most helpful with? Give that a shot. Creative writing, storytelling, poetry, and the list goes on. Art and design, inspiration. I could tell it to stop right here. Give it one more prompt. Let's ask it, what business tasks are you most helpful with? And again, depending on how you craft your prompt, which we're just doing basic ones at the moment, there could be very long and extreme prompting to get precisely what you want. And we're going to look at that here shortly. So if you really want to unlock the potential of ChatGPT, it's crucial to craft your prompts carefully. There are 6 specific types of information that we should consider when sending ChatGPT to get more precise answers that we're looking for. Here are those 6 elements for effective prompting. Number 1 is task. What do you want ChatGPT to do? Number 2, context. Provide background information or specifics. Number 3, example. If possible, give an example of what you're looking for. Number 4, persona. Define the tone or personality you want the AI to adopt. Do you want the AI to talk like a cowboy or a secret agent? Number 5, format. Specify the format you need, whether it's a list, paragraph, or a script. And number 6, tone. Set the tone, whether it's professional, casual, or something in between. By including these elements, we can use ChatGPT to get precise, tailored responses for programming help, language learning, writing, business development, travel, and the list goes on. So as you begin prompting with ChatGPT, you might not always get the answers that you're looking for. So just let the AI know in the same chat window what it is about the answer you don't like. The AI will reprocess the new information and try to give you a better answer. This process is known as reiteration or reiterating, and it's an essential part of creating effective prompts with actionable results. So it's important to know that by default, ChatGPT doesn't know anything about you. We're going to change that a little bit later on, but for now, every new chat is a blank slate. So as you work with ChatGPT, you'll more than likely develop a collection of prompts that really work well for you. I recommend creating a prompt library, which will store and categorize all the prompts you need for future use. Tools like Notion or Notepad and even Google Docs are perfect for this. And you can see on the left-hand column is a history of all the prompts and chats that I've had going back, all categorized by date, by month, by year. So it helps me keep a good idea and a good list of things that I may end up going back to later on. Having effective prompts helps save time and ensures consistency across all of your interactions. Remember to be creative when having an AI create prompts, and don't be afraid to ditch chats that get too awkward or weird. It is possible to overprompt with AI and get some really odd results. In these situations, just delete the chat that you don't want and you can start over from a blank slate. So, with all this talk about creating prompts and storing them for future use, wouldn't it be nice if ChatGPT could just remember some things about you, like always? Well, it can. So, one of ChatGPT's most powerful features is its ability to set custom instructions. This allows you to define your preferences for how ChatGPT responds. You can set things like the tone, formality, or even specific jargon that's unique to you or your business. This personalization makes your interaction with the AI smoother and more effective. So, in the interface for ChatGPT, we're going to click on the user menu and come down to Customize ChatGPT. In the first box, you can let ChatGPT know a little bit more about you, especially as it relates to your use of AI, so it can have more context when responding to your prompts. So maybe something like, I'm an information technology instructor interested in creating helpful and practical technology videos. In the second box, you can change the way in which ChatGPT will respond to you. So its writing style, its tone, the length of its responses, and so on. So I could put something like, use concise and simple wording, let me know when I may be missing something important even when I don't ask, and provide detailed responses. Speak like an educator or a teacher. And I'm going to save that. So by now you can see that between the customized instructions and some fine-tuned prompts, ChatGPT can be incredibly tailored to you and specific tasks that you're looking to perform. So let's talk about some privacy. By default, your chats in ChatGPT will be saved so you can easily go back and review old chats. You can even rename chats so that you can easily identify them later on. But there's something really important you need to know. Privacy is a top concern when using AI tools. While for the most part, your chats are private to you, your saved chats can be reviewed by humans and reviewers at OpenAI, which is the company behind ChatGPT. This review helps them to improve the AI, and it's pretty standard among other AIs as well. Like, for example, Microsoft Copilot. Generally, your information will not be identified when it's being reviewed by humans, but it's always safe to not enter any personally identifying information like social security numbers, account numbers, or anything like that. However, you do have the option to turn off and disable the chat saving feature to protect your data. This way, your interactions remain private and secure, giving you peace of mind as you use the platform. To do this, we're going to go up to the Account button, come down to Settings, scroll down to Data Controls, and This area here for improve the model, we're going to turn that off. So our content will not be used to train the models. And done. That's it. So there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with ChatGPT. I hope at this point you're more confident in your new AI skills. Let me know in the comment section below what prompts you discovered that work best for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other video on Microsoft Copilot. And as always, I appreciate your viewership, and if you could please like and subscribe, that would help this channel to grow, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.